Everyone, and welcome back. We've got another question for you guys. We've got a figure above and we are trying to find the angle of QMR. I'm gonna zoom in a bit so you guys can see this figure better. So we've got some intersections here. So basically, by the vertical angle theorem, 60 is going to reflect to the other side and 70 as well, and they're similar. So we can kind of figure out that 180 minus 60 is 120, and we've got the angle to the top of the triangle. And now all we're going to do is solve for those missing angles. So we've got 50 on both sides here, meaning that PMR and PRM also have to be equal. So those are going to be equal as well because everything else is equal. So 180 minus 120 is equal to 60. All we're going to do now is just divide that by 2, and I did 180 there because all of the angles in a triangle are equal to 180. So your final answer for QMR, is going to be 30 degrees.